Hey, what's up? Jixer here. Just like you can access your Google emails on your phone using the Gmail app, are you also curious whether it's possible to install it on your Windows 10 or 11 PC? In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to install the Gmail app so you can conveniently manage your account right from your computer. Let's go. Unlike your phone where you can have a dedicated Gmail app, Google doesn't offer a downloadable Gmail application for Windows 10 or 11. But did you know that you can create an app-like experience for Gmail right on your desktop using Microsoft Edge? To get started, open Microsoft Edge and sign into your Gmail account at gmail.com. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner and navigate to the Apps menu. Click Install this site as an app and confirm the installation. This setup offers several benefits. You can pin the Gmail app to your taskbar or start menu for quick access, create a desktop shortcut, or even configure it to automatically launch when you log in. After that, Gmail will launch in its own window, separate from Edge, and will integrate with Windows features. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.